How to use ChatGPT for coding help. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use ChatGPT for coding help. Now, ChatGPT serves as a sophisticated AI pair program that can assist with tasks ranging from generating to a complex debugging. So what you want to do is open your browser, type in ChatGPT on the web address bar and open that up. You could use ChatGPT to quickly create functional skeletons such as React component, a Python data processing functions or SQL query as well. You just need to paste in your coding. So what you want to do is here you could go to the chat page and you have to paste in your coding along with the specific error message. ChatGPT can analyze the logic, identifying bug with a stacks error or off by one issue and suggest fix as well. If you encounter a confusing piece of code, ask ChatGPT to explain this method. Step by step, it can demystify regular expression algorithm or unfamiliar library stacks as well. So you can easily convert a functional written in Java into a Python or JavaScript while maintaining the same logic. So this way, you'll be able to use ChatGPT for coding help. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.